So we're pouring up some wine because it's Monday and tomorrow's your birthday. And we're going out to eat tonight, so this is our pregame. I've never tried this. Honey crisp, golden honey.
Walnut shrimp.
Honey peach. Oh, golden honey peach, not honey crisp. No crisp, please. Oh, it's good.
It is.
It tastes like juice.
Good. Frankie. Shit. Tastes good, but it smells like shit.
You wanna know?
Oh, this for you. Let's see it.
You see her?
Sitting down on the steps.
Freya!
She was squeaking when I was playing the guitar. She was like, what is that, man? Little bro's thinking hard.
Take over the vlog.
Taking over the vlog, so we are going to sip on something yummy today. Whitewash.
Hi!
This is my last day being 25. We have a very exciting adventure today planned for us. We are going to come back and do a little something. We're going to have a good time. I'm going to play the guitar later. And there's our buddy chilling.
Hey, Freya! We should go down and see her.
Here we are. Our glasses of wine. We got the beautiful girl right there. About to go see this other beautiful girl.
Oh, she's coming.
All right, here comes our buddy.
She's coming.
We made a new friend today. She's so cool. You want to say hey to the people? Say hey.
Say hey.
She's a big, beautiful girl.
Look how
Hey.
beautiful she is.
So tall. My new dog.
But he would be so mad. Look at her. This gorgeous girl.
Beautiful girl. You're pretty.
You're gorgeous.
You're pretty girl.
Just look how insane this property is.
Look at baby boy. He's asleep.
Cheers.
Pinot Grigio.
Do you guys hear this? Listen to this. They're popping off. I'm gonna show you guys this at night too, but look how cute this yard is. I can't believe he has all of this in his little yard. Look at this. Animal Crossing in real life and a freaking peacock. There he goes, because Kenneth scared him. But look at this.
You like
So when we ignored him, he made a noise.
Mm-hmm. It's so clean. Over there.
What are you doing over there?
Hey. Hey. Come on. Come hang out with us. Come on.
Happy birthday to you.
Damn, you popped off. Look at these bags.
I picked them out special for you.
I get to open them now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Starting off with some salt.
Your favorite kind.
Hell yeah. Is this a pre-roll?
2.
You know what time? What the hell?
It's a giant bag of Japanese candy.
Fuck. Something big. It's a smooth box. Will I be able to guess what this is?
Maybe.
It's a open. There's a slit. I have no idea what it is.
Open it.
Oh shit, a flask? Hell yeah. Oh, this is nice. Hell yes, I really needed one of these bags.
You could put your stickers on it.
Yeah.
That comes. Hello.
So crazy.
I'm going crazy. So we're editing the video and realized there's no outro to this vlog. So here I am making the outro. We had an amazing time at the Airbnb and I'm so happy that's the one that I booked for the little birthday getaway. It was so much fun that I actually booked it again. I told my friends about it. We were like, we have to go together, so I booked it right away. We're going in December, and I think I'll definitely film it again, or try to, or at least film our experience there, because 10 out of 10, I definitely recommend it. Anyways, I gotta go and upload this vlog now, so bye.